Alright, y'all. I'm back. I'm back home, but I was supposed to have a dentist appointment today, but I got the time wrong. So I'm gonna have to reschedule my dentist appointment. But I said while I'm here, I'm about to go ahead and see if I can clean out this fan in my car. Like if I can figure out how to get in there, and I can do a lot of things, but being hot ain't one of them. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. Let me put that screwdriver. And before we get to calling a mechanic, I'm gonna see if I can figure it out.
Disconnected like any other connector, squeeze it, holes, and disconnect it. Right. A little rope that we just need to unhook it. Okay. Now here.
Oh. Hey y'all, welcome back. Today is Thursday. I'm just not getting off work. I'm on my way home. So I'm parked in my parking spot at work, and I just so happened to back in today in my parking spot because I am associate of the month. Okay. And I'm getting ready to pull off, and something said look in the rearview mirror. So I'm looking in the rearview mirror. Why is my left tail light out? Now y'all know I just replaced this AC blower fan in my car. Now if y'all haven't seen that, go look at my shorts on my page and you will be able to see part 1 and part 2 of me replacing the AC blower fan. But then I get in the car today and my tail light is out. So I'm hoping that this is not something like really difficult to replace, because again, I'm not calling anybody to do this. It's either gonna be me or Cortez, but it has to be replaced today. I just don't like for stuff to be wrong with my car. I know my car is old. My car is a 2012. I know it's old, but it still runs fine. Everything is good. It's just like little stuff that keeps happening. Like, now why would this AC blower fan go out? Like, why? And then today I'm looking, and it's probably been out, and I had no idea, but yeah. So we getting ready to stop by O'Reilly and see and grab a light. I guess I'm a mechanic. But yeah, I'll see y'all whenever we get there. Hold on. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today is Saturday. I have a little bit of a dilemma. I cannot find my black Crocs. And I'm about to crash out, okay? Because I cannot find my shoes. And I'm trying to remember, like, when was the last time I had my Crocs on? I know for sure I gotta go get my oil changed. That's first things first, okay? And then I wanted to drop some stuff off that I have in my truck. I want to drop that off at the Goodwill, but I figured while I'm dropping it off, I might as well go inside the Goodwill and see what they got. I don't know yet. Last night I forgot to turn the heat back on, so we was in here freezing. Now we all congested. But anyway, I know Cam was talking about he wanted to do something today, but I'm just like, boy, you want to go to the trampoline park. Gotta go out there and do some backflips in that yard, okay? I just feel like that's a waste of money right now. There's so much stuff he could be doing. He got a few friends in the neighborhood. Not a lot, but it's a few of them in the neighborhood. So he can, like, you know, go ride bikes or play basketball, football in the yard. They can do a bunch of different things. So that these kids, they don't even know how to be outside. I know when we was growing up, we didn't come back in the house. Shit, I barely came home. I'm getting ready to go pick the kids up. I gotta go by my grandma's house, and then I want to take them to there's a TikTok shop convenience store in, I think it's in Archdale. So I'm gonna take them by there, get them some snacks or whatever. And yeah, probably come back home and clean out that front closet. I'm already dreading that. So what I'll do is probably just pop the trunk, take the stuff out the closet, go out the front door and put it in the trunk. That way I have to take it. Like, I have to take it. I'm not putting it out in the garage. I'm just put it right in the trunk, and then I would have to drop it off at Goodwill. Y'all get like 2 things each, and that's it. And come on. Yeah, they got them.
That's the peach ones.
They come in a pack though, so you have to get the whole pack.
You can't get it right. You can't get it right.
I don't know about this.
I want to get
Cheese.
Don't get the cheese. We gotta get. Mom.
What? What is that?
Them little you know, we gotta get them.
No, you're not gonna eat that.
It's literally like a wafer. It's like a wafer.
Get a small bag.
This is not the same thing. It's not the same thing. It's too much.
It is.
I mean, it's not the same thing.
And it's a smaller bag. That beside it.
They need to open up their shop for
What? What you got?
hazelnut Kit Kat.
Look and see what else you might want. Okay, so apparently we left off one cooler.
They got grape, orange, peach. What is this?
They got all these different ones.
They said that one nasty.
Okay, that's not me.
That's peach.
Which one you got?
I got mango.
The mango, the best one, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Oh, they got these grapes.
They got candy grapes.
They got candy grapes in here.
You should get a pack of They don't like the book.
Oh, she found a little tub of ice cream.
See, that's gonna be the melted by the time I get home. So what? I want to try these grapes.
Get the grapes. Ew, get the blue one. What is that? Candy grapes. They got pineapples. Oh my god.
Oh, the green ones look good.
Get the blue ones.
So we coming back.
We're not getting that. Cancer causing noodles.
They got spicy bowls.
They got spicy bowls.
Say you swear.
They got
No,
spicy
hold on.
Bro,
bowls.
why we saying in unison?
Right. Y'all look, they got spicy bowls in here. Look at this.
Yo, it's so.
This is
It
crazy.
got what it contains in there too.
Alright.
Right.
Okay, y'all. $50 later. So Kendall's getting ready to try this. What is it? The mango ice cream.
It's like a birthday gift. Okay.
Is it soft?
It's good.
Tastes like the mango peels.
Alright, y'all, so I made it back home. And we got a little package in the mail. So let me open her up. This part. Okay. I got one of these. Like, I have a regular vacuum cleaner, but I feel like it's not strong enough and it's not picking up anything. So I got this one instead. Can y'all see all this? Look at this. Out of this one carpet. But it's a cool little vacuum cleaner. I don't need much because we got hardwood floors anyway, but I just want something that's gonna get that stuff up off the floor, because my little vacuum cleaner, it ain't pulling nothing. And yeah, so Cam clean the bathroom upstairs, Kendall clean the kitchen. So, you know, y'all gotta utilize these children, honey. And I have gone so long without them doing like big chores like that, but now, and I know that they know how to do it. Cam went up there and cleaned that bathroom just like I would have cleaned it. Everything is in place, put everything back in place. Like, y'all, yeah, y'all need to stop playing. All right, y'all, so we just got back from church this morning. When I was getting ready, I was like, because it's time for me to start my new pack of pills for birth control, and I cannot find my birth control pills. See, this is what happens when I call myself trying to clean up. I'm misplacing everything. Yeah, let me get myself together. I'll be back. Hey y'all, welcome back. So I had a little bit of a dilemma. So I wanted to show y'all. So in this area here, I want to block this off. So I was doing like some research on, I need to measure this to see how tall these ceilings are actually. But I was doing some research on how I can block this off, and I saw a bunch of, you know, inspiration on Pinterest, how people were, you know, like building walls and stuff like that. But you can see we got this wall that comes down a little bit, so, you know, it's not all the way even. So even if I were staying here, so as y'all can see, we have the ceiling up here, and then there's this part that comes down. So I don't know how I would do that. Y'all, I told Cortez we need to go ahead and get started on the yard. Y'all know in the spring, I be trying to be first. But it looks like we already got beat to the punch because my neighbors across the street. Let me show you. Let me see if I can show y'all. Can y'all see that? Y'all probably can't see that delivery truck. Look, they got a delivery truck. It's Lowe's. They got Lowe's delivery today. So it looks like they might be getting some fencing material. I guess they get ready to put up a fence. I told Cortez we need to go ahead and get started on the yard because our neighbors are gonna beat us to the punch. And look what happened. Anyway, now I'm stuck in the house cleaning up when we can be outside getting the yard ready and prepared like everybody else. Nah, you don't listen to me. But yeah, that's okay because I'm getting ready to put some clothes on and me and Kendall about to go to the farmer's market so I can find me some plants to put out. Cause girl, you're not about to outdo me. Like, no ma'am. Alright, so we done made it out here to the farmer's market, y'all, and I just want to say we have been to, where did we go first? Oh, we went to Home Depot first, and they didn't have any hostas. Dollar Tree, of course, they ain't have none, but we just went by Dollar Tree, and then we get out here to the farmer's market, and they don't have any hostas. Like, what is going on? Is this not the time to be planting hostas? Somebody need to let me know something. Anyway, they got all these food trucks out here. Y'all see? All these plants. I forgot which one I usually go to. Some nice lilies. Y'all look at these Cheerios.
Smell the Fruit Loops.
Smell the Fruit Loops, Kendall.
It smells just like them.
Oh my God.
Wait, that's like real candles? Like
my candles, you know, I get my sand and fog. Look at the mushrooms. I ain't definitely like these.
Then the mushrooms they be eating on their mukbangs with all that sauce. Ew. The chestnut looking ones.
Look at this one.
Ew.
Look at these mushrooms, girl.
That's hurting me.
Good, how are you?
I want to try something.
Sure.
On the front end, sauce on the back. We do some cooking.
What kind of sauce?
All purpose. Sweet and spicy. We put that on anything. Salmon, chicken. What's up, man? Try something. Let me know what you think. Sweet and spicy. Like different wings, stuff like that. Salmon.
Look at that. Not buttholes. You're wrong for that.
But I know what these taste like. I had them. Remember I bought a bag of these, the big box of them at Costco? And I ate them all.
I got some sourdough. Some sourdough bread. Anyway, this is the sauce, y'all. And we started Popeyes. I'm about to. You want to try it?
Yeah. We just.
I don't have to put mine on the chicken. Ooh.
Oh, that's messy.
Mm-hmm. we made it back home. I am about to try to replace some of these boards. Let me show y'all for the deck because it is sinking right here, like outside the door. So y'all can see we got this right here. Let's move this out of the way. You can see right there it's sinking down. So I need to cut this out and replace these boards right here. You can also see it right here. And since we got our new isolating tool, that should really help me get in there and get those boards removed, because I remember before I couldn't get down in there. So I'm gonna probably have to cut some more decking boards, which is fine because I got plenty of scrap out there in the garage. But yeah, once you step out, it is sinking down. I don't even know if I have anything big enough, long enough. Let's see. I had to cut this weird angle. I'm sorry, I got dust all on y'all. Oh, this is a screw or a nail. It's gotta be a screw. Alright, y'all, so before phone go dead, I mean the camera go dead, I wanted to show y'all. So I just replaced these 3 boards right here. Y'all can see we good. Now I gotta clean up all this mess. Yeah, I had to bring the saw out and everything.
Burning bridges and falling stars, purple skylines and broken hearts. Ain't no taking that to the moon. Out here trying, but there ain't no room. No, good intentions will fall apart. Yeah, and they don't know about us. They don't know about us. Yeah, and so hard, and I can't lie, baby, they weren't wrong. But if 1 plus 1 is 2, it's true that you got me and I got you. Oh, nothing will ever keep us apart. No.
Good morning, y'all. Today is Sunday, and we are getting ready to go to church. But I didn't come back on here yesterday after I finished the deck. Baby, I was wore out, okay? My body is still hurting. I was in there, out there cutting up wood, doing all kind of stuff, but we got it done. Hopefully we can get started on this garage. I don't know, because when we get back from church, I think Cortez going to the gym, but we'll see. We'll see. It's supposed to be warm outside today. I think it's gonna be like 80 something degrees, and then it goes back down during the week. I don't know what's going on in North Carolina. I don't know what's happening. I want to show y'all this little skin that I got for my camera. It's purple. How cute is it? Let me see if I can't show y'all the back, but yeah, it's just a little skin, and it's got this to cover up the face, and then it also has the skin for the microphone. Look at that. I ordered this off of Amazon. If you want the link, let me know. But yeah. So, I'm getting ready to go to church, y'all. I had to like flat iron and curl my kitchen back here because my hair is broken off. I really want to get some braids this week. I'm trying to hold out, but I think I'm gonna just break down and get some braids because y'all know, as it starts to get warmer outside, I'm not gonna be in the mood to keep washing my hair every 5 minutes. I was sweating yesterday, sweating in my scalp, and I didn't even wash my hair. I gotta go get some more shampoo too. But yeah, so we're gonna go to church, and I'll probably see y'all whenever we get back. Hopefully we're doing something interesting. I don't know yet. All right, bye. Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. This one is gonna be short maintenance vlog because I have to get my hair done. Y'all, my hair is just constantly coming out, and then y'all can see back here where it's like really broke off, and I don't know what else to do besides get it braided up. So I'm gonna go get some braids. I washed it last night with the Design Essentials shampoo and conditioner, and then they also have this rosemary and mint stimulating super moisturizing conditioner, and this will dry or thick hair. So yeah, so I don't know, I'm gonna try to keep it braided up and let it grow back out, because I'm assuming that it's from me pressing my hair out like almost every week. I'm not for certain, but that's what I'm thinking. So what I'll do, probably, like, I'm gonna try to keep the braids for the summer. Y'all think I could do that? I don't know. Y'all know I be ready to touch my real hair. But I'm gonna try to keep it braided up so I won't keep pressing it out and damaging the back here, because it is, ooh, yes. I notice it when I'm like putting my hair up in a ponytail and the back is all crunchy and the rest is straight. That's crazy. It's like chia pet on the bottom, Dominica on the top.